Well, g'day folks. Today I'm at the Lake Bullen Merri boat ramp, which is just outside Camperdown in Victoria, and it is a beautiful place here. I wanted to show you around and do a boat ramp review, but I think you'll agree that it's absolutely lovely here. Every time I call in and have a look, I think, wow, how pretty is this spot? So let's take a look. Lake Bullen Merri boat ramp. So let's start off with our usual checklist. Free or paid facilities? Free. Do you need a four-wheel drive? No. Are there toilets? Yes. Are there showers? Yes. They are cold. Is there lots of parking? Yes. Is there a fish washing area? No. Is there a boat and trailer washing area? No. Is there shaded sitting areas? Yes. Is there a playground for kids? Yes. Is there a barbecue area? Yes. The distance to the closest camping area is 1.8 kilometres. Distance to the closest shop is 4.3 kilometres. Distance to the closest hotel is 4.8 kilometres. Distance to the closest fuel pump is 4.5 kilometres, and distance to the closest hospital is also 4.5 kilometres. This gives us a total score of 8 out of 10. Lake Bullen Merri is a large volcanic lake near the town of Camperdown in southwest Victoria. Thousands of years ago, this area was once full of volcanoes. When one of these volcanoes erupted, it blasted a huge crater into the ground. Over time, rainwater slowly filled the crater, and that is how Lake Bullen Merri was formed. Lake Bullen Merri is part of a region known as the Victorian Volcanic Plains. One of the interesting things about the lake is its shape. If you look at it from the sky, the lake looks like a clover. This happened because two volcanic craters formed close together and joined into one large lake. Lake Bullen Merri is about 66 metres deep, which makes it one of the deepest natural lakes in Victoria. Because the lake is so deep, the water stays cool, which is perfect for certain types of fish. Lake Bullen Merri is a very popular place for boating, fishing, and spending time outdoors with the family and friends. The boat ramp has been upgraded in recent years, making it easier and safer for people to launch their boats. For anglers, Lake Bullen Merri is one of the best freshwater fishing lakes in southwest Victoria. The lake is regularly stocked with fish, which helps keep the fishing exciting. Some of the fish you might catch here include brown trout, rainbow trout, tiger trout, Atlantic salmon, Chinook salmon, redfin, and Australian bass. Many anglers like to fish from their boats, especially by trawling lures through the deeper waters. Every now and then, anglers can catch some very large fish in this lake. Some Chinook salmon caught here have been close to 1 metre in length. The Camperdown Angling Club has been part of the lake for many years. The club helps organise fishing events and competitions, and it brings local anglers together who enjoy fishing these volcanic lakes. Aside from fishing, the lake is also a beautiful place to visit due to its scenery. The steep crater walls, dark volcanic sands, and wide open water make this lake look very different from many other lakes in Victoria. Whether you're fishing, boating or just exploring the area, Lake Bullen Merri is a fantastic place to visit if you're travelling through Camperdown or southwest Victoria. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this look at Lake Bullen Merri. Well, there we go, folks. I'm back at the car. It rained and it stopped, and it rained and it stopped, and it rained and it stopped. But Lake Bullen Merri, it is absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.